A very good day to Dr. Oliver. My name is Rafairus, and I will be presenting the introduction part until the GIS software. So today we are presenting how Geographic Informational System or GIS can be applied in tourism development, specifically in the Elbasan region of Albania. GIS is a powerful tool used to collect, manage, and analyze spatial data. It is widely used in various fields such as economic planning, infrastructure development, and tourism. In this case study, we look at how GIS helped address planning issues in Elbasan, a region which is rich in natural and cultural attraction but lacking effective tourism development. The main issue identified in the article is the lack of proper spatial planning in Elbasan's tourism sector. Although the region has great tourism potential, it suffers from outdated data, poor infrastructure, and an uncoordinated approach to planning. As a result, urban areas are overcrowded while many rural areas with tourism potential remain undeveloped. This shows the need for a centralized, data driven solution to improve tourism management and decision making, which GIS can provide. In the study, the authors used GIS tools similar to ArcGIS and QGIS. Although the exact software was not named, they perform several key tasks, including thematic mappings of roads, tourist sites, and public services, as well as spatial analysis like buffering and overlay. These tools help the researchers plan optimal tourist routes and identify infrastructure gaps. Overall, the GIS software allowed for better planning decisions by combining visual maps with real world data, making it an essential tool for sustainable tourism development.
Hi, my name is Awang Muhammad Danish. Now for the GIS analysis, the researcher adopted a semantic layer-based approach using ArcGIS 9.2. They digitalize features such as road, river elevation, contours, settlement, and tourist facilities from paper map. Each of these elements was organized into digital map layer and georeferenced to a consistent coordinate system. This method helped integrate various spatial elements into one system, laying the groundwork for comprehensive analysis. Next, we look at the tool and techniques used in GIS analysis. Each feature was linked to attribute table that included descriptive information such as name, capacity, and service offer. Special queries allowed the team to explore relationship, for example, identifying hotels near bus station or restaurant close to museums. Advanced operation like buffering and overlay analysis help evaluate accessibility and pinpoint infrastructure gaps. These tools transform raw data into actionable insight. The GIS analysis resulted in a variety of maps. Best maps depicted the topography and administrative boundaries of Elbasan. On top of this, semantic maps were layered to show tourism infrastructure, including hotels, restaurants, landmarks, and green areas. These maps were compiled into a digital tourism atlas, providing planner with a full visual understanding of Elbasan's tourism landscape. One of the most practical applications of GIS in this study was road planning. The system calculated the shortest and most efficient path between tourist sites, hotels, and transportation hubs. What's more, route could be customized based on user preference, such as cultural interest or proximity to dining option. This interactive use of GIS not only support better planning but also enhance the visitor experience. The findings highlight clear spatial patterns. Most tourist services were concentrated in the city center and along main roads, leaving peripheral areas underdeveloped. Green space were also mapped, offering opportunities for ecotourism and sustainable planning. Overall, the analysis helped identify where investment were needed to balance and improve tourism development across the region. To summarize, GIS proved to be a powerful tool in tourism planning for Elbasan. It helped identify weakness in infrastructure and spatial organization and enable data-driven decision making. The schematic apps, the schematic maps and spatial analysis offer insight that were both visual and strategic, bridging the gap between planning and action. Finally, the significance of GIS goes beyond just mapping. It plays a central role in promoting sustainable tourism, designing optimized visitor routes, and ensuring equitable development. The case of Elbasan shows us how GIS can transform tourism planning from reactive to proactive and from fragmented to strategic. Thank you.